Looking for a charger that can charge your laptop, your phone, and tons of other devices? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mokin 140 watt fast charger. It's USB-C. It's fast enough to literally charge your laptop. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mokin USB fast charger. This is a 140 watt GaN fast charger right here, USB-C. Looks like we got some information on the back right here. Packaging looks really nice, really cool design and everything. Let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user guide right here, which just kind of explains the ports and the information, like the LED screen on it to show you the different temperatures and all that. So very cool. Lots of information there. Looks like we got multiple different languages. Very nice. Next up, it looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this thing is long. This cable is humongous. That comes with it included. Wow, USB-C to USB-C, Mokin, great job. And finally, the charger itself. This is what you came for, guys. 140 watt GaN watt charger right here, and my goodness, here's our little LED screen on it. This thing looks super cool. We'll go ahead and pull that up because we know you'll love to see it. Screen looks very nice. Looks like we got some little touchscreen button right there. Backs pop. Very cool. On the bottom, it looks like we have all of our ports. USB-C, 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 USB-A. Very nice. This thing is super powerful, super cool. Let's go ahead and try it out.
This is the 140 watt USB-C ultra fast wall charger. 140 watt USB-C for ultra fast charging, power demanding laptops like MacBooks at incredible speeds. Any of the two high speed USB-C ports up to 140 watt max output acts as a powerful USB-C laptop charger, capable of rapidly charging large laptops. Power 4 devices with PD 3.1 efficiency. Unleash the power of a GaN charger technology to simultaneously fuel up to 4 devices. Mokin's compact yet mighty 140 watt USB-C power adapter delivers optimal performance without the bulk. Plus, this thing has a live screen that tells all, so you can stay perfectly informed with the built-in high-definition color display. Instantly view real-time charging status, power output details per port, and temperature for the 140 watt charger and connected devices. Advanced safety with active monitoring. Experience peace of mind with their intelligent safety system. Like a vigilant guardian, it constantly monitors temperatures millions of times daily to protect your devices and this robust 140 watt charger. And did I mention that this comes with an 18-month warranty? That's right, Mokin gives you dedicated customer support to keep you and your devices safe and with a great peace of mind. Mokin, this thing is awesome and extremely powerful, and the display is just so genius. We want to say great job. This is our first time working with Mokin, and I gotta say, this is a high quality product. We've reviewed tons of chargers in the past, and this one feels really nice, really high quality, and blazing fast. 140 watts in a wall charger is just ridiculous. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We want to give a huge shout out to Mokin for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.